Category D programs are for non-approved provider programs that do not qualify for Category A. There is no minimum in Category D. The maximum for Category D is 28 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 14 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. Category D includes completion of professional programs sponsored by groups other than BOC-approved providers with educational content at or above entry level. The intended audience of the program must be credentialed healthcare providers and/or wellness professionals and content focused within the domains identified in the PA8. If lay people are part of the intended audience, such as parents or coaches, the program would not be eligible for CEUs. Category D learning events can be synchronous or asynchronous and delivered in a variety of methods, such as the internet, podcasts, multimedia, and more. Category D can include the following: programs to fulfill other licenses or healthcare credentialing, and is ideal for someone holding dual credentials, employer educational courses specific to athletic training, surgery observation but needs to have an educational component with objectives, outline and letter of verification from physician, content beyond BLS learned in an ACLS/PALS/lifeguarding course. Proof of completion for any activity in Category D must include your name, program title, completion date, contact hours, and a copy of the event program that includes a description and objectives.